Want to know how to replace those ugly skies in your photos? Today I'm going to show you how. First thing we need to do is we need to go up to Edit, then go to Sky Replacement, and then we need to find a sky that fits our photo. So I've already pre-selected one. Now what we need to do is we need to come down to our foreground adjustments. I'm going to bring this all the way down. This is the foreground lighting. We have a silhouette photo, so we want as little of this as possible. This looks pretty good. I probably shot this at f8, so majority of everything in the photo is going to be in focus. However, if it is not, what you need to do is you need to highlight the actual background, go on up to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and now we need to adjust it. Now, that is going to be too much. That looks good to me. So there we are. That's how quickly and easily you can change the ugly skies in your photos to something that's going to be a little bit more dramatic. If you like this video, I recommend that you save it. That way you can refer back to it later. As always, follow or subscribe for more content just like this.